What is up, my gladiators and Amazonians? My name is the Gaming Gladiator, and welcome back to Monster Hunter World. Let me just get my legging bonus. Okay, yeah, I really don't give a fuck. This lady has a job for us, apparently. Can you talk to me? Okay. You guys stay where you are if that's plenty of work for you. Oh, just so I'm a hunter, I'm your little errand boy then. Okay, I see how it is, bitch. I see how it is. You get a little tidbit of advice. You really don't want to call a black woman a bitch. Because they'll mess you up. They'll tear your eyes out with their nails. Also, I have it a little zoomed in so that you guys can see the thing. An expedition to the ancient forest. Okay. Okay, yes, exit tutorial. Go on an expedition.
Okay, let's get this expedition underway. Meet me at the gate. Right now, we're in Astera. If you want to go on an expedition, open your world map and choose your destination. For this expedition, we need to head to the ancient forest. We can expand expeditions as we delve further into the new world. Pretty good incentive to explore, right?
I guess so. You can also find certain monsters on expeditions, which is cool. I'm eating mashed potatoes, so if you hear noises like what you're hearing now, I don't know if that's picking up on the mic. Noises like this. Yeah, I'm eating my mashed potatoes. God damn, how long is this fucking loading screen taking? As you can tell, my mom's not here. This is taking a long time. This is taking a very long time. Finally, it's okay. I know how to freaking do expeditions. Get out of the thing!
Let's look for the campsite.
Yeah, I already know where it is.
If I get to the campsite first, or if you're lost, open up your map or use your scout flies to track me.
Okay. Hit B to take me off
Whenever you leave the base without signing up for a quest, you'll go on an expedition. There's no time limit or cap on how many times you're allowed to faint, which means you can explore to your heart's content.
Sweet. Can I pull up my map?
Your wildlife map keeps track of where you are and where the scout flies are taking you. You can also use it to keep tabs on monsters.
Okay, so we're going on the thing. I really don't know how to cut. What the hell is this? It's a footprint, obviously, you dumbass. I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to commentate over this. Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna cut this part out. See you in a minute. I just ended the thing, and as I did, that thing over there ran past me. Oh, is it actually gonna eat one of the things? Oh, it is! Look at that! Look! That's awesome! Okay. There we go. Okay, I'm gonna do the thing. And we're back. Oh. A monster. Hey, I found a pot. Kulu Kaiku. Forgive me if I butcher these names. What do you have to say about that?
target destination for your scout flies on the map.
Well, if we don't take care of that pest, the camp won't last the night.
Oh yeah,
Monster's called Kalu Kalu. I don't know. It doesn't seem to be much of a threat. It just seems to be trying to find pots. But let's slaughter it anyway.
To return to base from an expedition.
I know how to do that.
Map and switch to the world map.
Shut up, I know how to do... I know how to do these things, you faggot. Speaking of swears, speaking of faggot, what's the funniest swear you people know? Post it in the comments down below. I don't know if I'm gonna make that. Oh, I did anyway. Oh, I'm even greater than I thought it was. I'm the best. And this thing's the worst and it's gonna die. By my hands. Hi, friend! Okay, let's take this. Ow! You motherfucker! Come back here and fight me, you pussy! Get back here! Ugh. I threw rocks at you. Ow! Stop hitting me, you scumbag! Ow! Stop freaking punching me! You motherfucker! You... Sorry about that. Get out of my way, you motherfucker. You just pulled out a freaking rock. Okay, that did 4 damage. As some people would say, that did fuck all damage. Why am I not doing any damage? Use that damn rock. And now die! 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 Ow! Alright. Get this thing. Kill it 1,000,000 times! I'm on your back! Once again, this is how you jack off! What are you looking for? Another rock? Get back here and fight me, you pussy! Fight me! Let's just sharpen this a little bit. Alright. Now let's fight! Wait, what are these? Are these its feathers? Can I actually use them? Be cool if I could. I don't know. I can't remember if I can use them or not. It's been, I'm not gonna say it's been a while since I played this game, considering I played this game yesterday. Let's fight, fucker! Some people on this video, watching this video, are gonna be like, oh my god, Chris! What the hell? Why all the swearing? It's because my mother's not home. Hey! Do you mind? I'm trying to get on top of you. Good joke, Chris. Congratulations, you're all 5. Yeah, I did it. I thought I messed up for a minute. Jump onto your face. God damn, how many stabs can this thing take in the face? Not that many, it appears. Okay, I think if I'm skilled enough, I can do it again. Oh my god, what? How again?
Do it again.
All I wanted was a little fun.
Do it again.
Ow! As I was saying, almost 100 damage that last attack did. Get back here, fucker! Hey! Why do all the monsters run away? Why does everything run away from me? Am I that ugly? Oh, you're limping now, aren't ya? Kill it! The hell is this? Oh, piercing stone.
That's a piercing pot. Powerful type of slinger ammo. That's able to pierce the thick shell of monsters.
Sweet. I got 3 of them. It doesn't just work on shells, it works on, you know, skin. If it can do damage to shells, imagine how much damage it can do to flesh. The random thoughts of Christopher Fraser, as nobody wants to hear them. Gotcha! Are you kidding me? Is this motherfucker gonna run away? Nope. This motherfucker's gonna stay. And this motherfucker, because of its stupid decision, is gonna die. What was he about to pull out from the ground? A rock? Is that a rock or is that an egg? I can't tell. I don't know. Oh. Alright. Alright, so how are we doing on time? 11 minutes. Still got another 20. Where the hell did it go? Oh, I see you. I see it. Come here, motherfucker!
Your health is low. Your health is low. Keep your distance and use a potion.
Alright. Can you put down that rock? Sir. Sir, I need you to put down that rock, please. Where the fuck did it go? Somebody's gonna make a compilation eventually of me just saying fuck. It's like, oh, every time Chris says fuck, if you're an adult, take a shot of whiskey. And if you're not old enough to drink whiskey, just do water or something. I don't know. I don't promote drinking, alright? Underage drinking. Now, if you're old enough to drink, then just drink responsibly. And this fucker is fast. I blinded it! Oh my god, it pulled out an egg! No! You will not get your health back! I did it! Let's get this stuff.
Now this is interesting. Let's report our findings to everyone at the resource center when we get back.
Okay. In my opinion, that doesn't sound like a good idea. It's like you find something, you make a discovery, you find out what it is, and you keep it to your damn self. Because other people will try to steal it, and they'll freaking try... Oh, what the hell is this? They'll try to take credit for your work. Oh, there's 3 doodles right... Sorry, right next to each other. Okay.
You can fast travel back to camp simply by selecting it from the wildlife map.
Okay. Yeah, it's an easy way to fast travel. Just grapple onto a bird. Return from camp. Or expedition, not camp. This isn't camp. Fuck. Heading back. Okay, so I got its beak. Its plum. The hell is its plum? You know what? I don't want to know. Hide, scale, and scale. I got no money for that. Oh, and fuck y'all. A new cutscene. Speed. These loading screens take forever. I can't remember what's next. I think I have to find I think I have to fight that one thing that looks like it's from a Japanese hentai tentacle porno thing. The thing with the long tongue.
Don't let me down.
I won't. Okay.
I have something special just for you.
Alright. Job simply applies. Okay. Mega potions. Simple.
Come back soon.
Alright. Wait, there's a lot of people that need to talk to me.
Hello.
Oh! I'm the research with the commission. My feel. You guys can probably read it. Yeah, it's zoomed in enough. What do you have to say?
Good to see you.
Alright, good to see you too.
Good luck.
Good luck. Thank you. Good luck to you too, sir. Whatever the hell you're doing. Oh, let me guess. The chef's gonna talk to me. Chef, do you want to talk? No, you do.
Working hard?
Yeah.
Good luck.
Really? You know, you are a fat, lazy little cunt. Sorry. I know it's an incredibly vulgar word, but who gives a fuck? Nobody, I'll tell you that much. People are just gonna be like, oh my god, if they hear that word. From me. If they hear it, like, from... I mean, if they hear it from someone else, they also might be a little shocked. Considering cunt is a very vulgar and extreme swear word. But for me, I typically don't swear that often. Mainly because I don't want to get in trouble. But hearing cunt from me, I don't know. Hey, you want to talk to me, Commander? Commander?
You've done well.
Thanks. I think it is that one monster.
We're the ones to get it done.
The Fifth has an urgent mission. Partner, you'd better come see me.
How are you feeling? Hey there.
I'm feeling good. How are you? New world rules is something I have to get used to. Will not get used to. You will continue on it. Okay, hold on, I'm just eating real quick. Let me just read that. Ignore that. Ignore that little notification. I don't know anything that hit
Hey
me.
there, partner.
Johnny, the gig is up. We can't kill that guy tonight. It is the thing with the long tongue, isn't it? And I'll go to the new camp. I don't think that was a new camp at all. Manage some things. Oh my god, I got 50 mega potions. The fuck? I need a voice crack then. What is this? What the fuck? Oh my god. I'm taking all that shit. Get some of this, considering this monster can poison me. The reason why I'm departing on this quest without eating is because, well, you can eat at the camp. Wait, how's it? Oh, I thought. I mean, I'm a dumbass. I thought the video was paused. And, like, because I have an app where I can pause the video. I can't remember what it's called. But it's a really good app. Alright. It's nighttime, really?
Our mini canteen here serves food that will give you a boost for the hunt ahead.
Yeah. And it's really, really cool. Alright, well, I might as well get a white liver. That does not sound appetizing. Alright, but there's a little animation here, too. I love how she just watches him eat. And how you can hear every single, like, sound that he makes, just... As long as he's not going, it'll be fine. For those who don't get that joke, you're probably not old enough. And if you don't know what that joke means, I'll tell you. It means... Hey, there's a clue here. It's the monsters? I mean, yeah, it's the monsters clue, but I don't know. It's the monster I'm looking for. Oh my god, can you oh, okay, there's a lot of them. But I can handle them. Because, if you don't give a damn, I don't give a fuck. Hey! If you don't give a damn, I don't give a fuck. Hey! If you don't give a damn, I don't give a fuck. Hey! Ow! If you don't give a damn, I don't give a fuck. Hey! That didn't hit any of them. That was such a shit waste of time thing. Kill them all! Hey, get back here! Get back here, you scaly yellow scale thing, motherfuckers! Mining with stone to death. You can't mine a stone to death, but you can sure as hell mine it. The fuck is this monster? Oh, there's another footprint. Another clue. Got a bitter bug. Did you get a bitter bug, did you get a bitter bite, brother? That's what I meant to say. Another footprint. I need one more.
Bright moss can be used as slinger ammo. Launch it at walls to eliminate dark areas, like the inside of a cave, for example.
Go. Oh. That's cool. Ironically, I did not know about that. It's like, oh, it's too dark. Boom. Now it's not dark no more. Is it up here or something? Because I can't find it. Ugh. What's down here? These things? The hell are you? What do you do? Ah!
You'll have to wait for it to wear off. Not that you have a choice.
Let me up! Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna cut ahead to when I actually find it. Okay, I know I said I would cut ahead to when I actually found it, but I found this thing. Is this what I'm hunting? Oh, shit! Okay! Well then. I think I fucked up.
If you run out of health, you'll faint and be returned to the closest camp.
Oh, no, shit.
You'll fail the quest.
No fucking shit. I'm mad at that. Because I didn't even need to die there. Fucking fall down here. I cannot find this thing. Do I go through here? Yeah. Oh shit, I forgot I was still recording. I thought I paused the thing. I'm sorry for being so quiet. I might do this in the next episode. I know not much is going on here, but I don't think I can really do much. So I'm sorry to cut this one a little bit shorter than the others, but I can't find the fucking monster. And I know I didn't do a lot, but I promise you, I will take on 2 monsters every video. At least 2 quests every video. And I'm not going to do any of the boring quests like, oh, deliver this, deliver that. I'll do that off camera, whatever. So, I'm sorry to cut this short, but I can't find the thing. I promise you we'll take it on next week. So, cheers everyone. Goodbye.